So this is a onesie and t-shirt set that I sell in my Amazon and Shopify stores online. This design is very popular specifically for like Father's Day or Mother's Day, etc. And to create this, I do have to layer the monster's face on top of the eyes like this. And I realized that I don't have any videos showing you guys how I layer vinyl on vinyl. And this is a really simple 2-layer design, so I thought it'd be perfect to do that now. If you guys are interested in this design, I do have the link down below where you can find the SVG files. As always, when working with heat transfer vinyl, be sure to mirror your design prior to cutting. My Cricut dial is set to cut vinyl, and I'll be using white and green heat transfer vinyl for this project. As you guys will see, this design does have quite a bit of detail in it, so it takes a while to cut and weed. Once we're done cutting and weeding the design, it's ready to press. And one of the important things to remember when layering vinyl is to make sure that we position and center the design correctly and each color vinyl in the correct order. For example, for this design, obviously the eyes are going to go on the onesie first, but I want to center it on here and kind of eyeball and measure it out to make sure that the monster's head will fit correctly on top of the eyes, like this. And you also want to know whether the heat transfer vinyl that you're working with is a cold peel or a hot peel. This is really important. Most of the HTVs I've worked with have been hot peel, but there are a few, particularly the glitter or metallic vinyls that I've used in the past, that are cold peel, which means I have to wait for the vinyl to cool off before I can peel off the plastic. So be sure to read the instructions for the heat transfer vinyl that you're working with. The one that I'm using right now is a hot peel, and it's pressed at 320 degrees for 20 seconds. And I've positioned the first layer the way that I want it on the shirt, so it's ready to press now. We don't have to wait out the whole 20 seconds. We can press it for 5 or 10 seconds, and it's typically fine since we're going to be pressing this again when we place the second layer on top. And this is what I mean by this vinyl being a hot peel. I just lifted the heat press and I'm going to go ahead and peel off the plastic, and it stays on there just fine. If your vinyl comes off with the plastic or you're having a hard time peeling the plastic off, that's usually a good indication that you're working with a cold peel. So just press your design again and wait for the vinyl to cool off before peeling. I'm going to go ahead and press the top layer of vinyl now. And this time I'm going to wait the whole 20 seconds before lifting the press. Here is the finished product. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know down below if you have any questions or comments, and like and subscribe for more content.